page 119, chapter 12 in your science. We will start with the new heading, diseases caused due to lack of personal hygiene and unclean surroundings. So we are going to study about certain diseases which are caused when we are not keeping ourselves neat and clean, and when our surroundings are also not clean. So what are the diseases we can catch hold of? This is what we will study in this. Unclean places are good grounds for the growth of disease causing microorganisms like bacteria, fungi and protozoa. These disease causing germs spread through air, water, food and insects. They enter our homes and body, cause diseases and make us sick. These diseases spread easily from one person to another, and so they are called communicable diseases. We have two kinds of diseases, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. All the diseases which can be communicated from one person to the other. Communicated means it can be carried from one person to the other. Those diseases are called as communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases which cannot be transmitted from one person to the other person, they are called as non-communicable diseases. Okay, so any diseases which are transmitted from one person to the other are your communicable diseases. Diseases which cannot be transmitted from one person to the other are non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be you have cold and cough, that is what can be transmitted from one person to the other. You have a stomach ache, that is a non-communicable disease because that cannot be transmitted from one person to the other. If I am having a stomach ache, it is not important that you will also have the stomach ache or I will pass that infection to you. Okay, but if I am having a cold and cough, it is possible that my cold and cough can pass on to you. Okay, so that cold and cough is an example of communicable disease, and stomach ache or headache or you have a pain in the leg, they are all the examples of non-communicable diseases. Unclean drinking water may cause diseases like jaundice, typhoid and cholera. Eating unhygienic food may cause food poisoning, typhoid and diarrhea. Not washing ourselves properly or wearing clean clothes can cause many skin diseases like scabies, ringworm or athlete's foot. Athlete's foot, you must have seen the foot becoming very, very swollen like an elephant's foot. That is what you call as the athlete's foot. Diseases like common cold, tuberculosis, influenza and measles spread through air. Any infected person coughing or sneezing without covering the mouth release germs in the air which may infect a healthy person. That is what we are doing. We are covering our mouth these days with a mask so that any germs which comes out from one person's mouth should not be transmitted to the other person. Okay, that is why we are told to wear the mask so that everyone is kept safe from the germs. Malaria, dengue and chikungunya are diseases caused by mosquito bites. Therefore, we need to keep surroundings clean to prevent them from becoming breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Breeding grounds means wherever they can, produce themselves more. They can give the larvas in the water. Larvas in the water, that is what they means by breeding places. जहाँ पर वो पैदा हो सकते हैं, grow कर सकते हैं, they multiply in number. So those places should be avoided. We should clean the places. We should not get water collected in any places around our house so that the mosquitoes cannot breed in that place. We must visit a doctor and take medicines if we suffer from any such diseases. However, we can prevent spread of these communicable diseases by maintaining proper hygiene of our body, food, water and surroundings. So simply, if we need to keep ourselves clean, we need to keep ourselves disease free, we need to keep ourselves clean and we need to keep our surroundings very, very clean. So the food, the water, all this are the carriers of your disease. So we need to keep everything clean and safe so that we do not fall a prey to any of the disease, and these communicable diseases can be stopped from preventing any more.